Let's learn how to do that.
You need to have a rubber band. That's the main thing, obviously, the trick. And then take the rubber band, put it in your index and middle finger, like this. See? Then pull it, twist it, and then put it in. Still, like, make it tighter, like this. See? Then you pull the rubber band like this. Pull it left to the left, this way, like this, and then put all your fingers, put it in the rubber band, like this, in the rubber band, not out of here. Just put it in, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, and then it should look like this. So from the front view, it looks like you're fisting it. See? And then you just like this, open it. It will teleport to the other finger.